Welcome guys in this new video. In today's video I will share with you my VFS experience, how was it and what happened during my VFS appointment. In this video I will explain everything about VFS. If you are interested in this topic then watch this video till end. And thank you everyone who are connected with me on Instagram. If you guys have any query you can contact me on Instagram. I will help you to solve your query, or you can comment below so that I can respond to your comments. So I am trying to solve everyone's query as early as possible. And guys, you all are sharing your love with me by watching my videos and sharing with your friends. But I was going through YouTube Studios analytics and I found that most of the people who are watching my videos, they haven't subscribed yet to my channel. Guys, if you are interested in all this video which I put in this channel, then please subscribe. If you will subscribe to my channel, then I will feel motivated to create more good content. So guys, keep subscribing the channel and share your love with me. So without wasting time, we will start today's video. So guys, after completion of your visa application fee, you have to book your VFS appointment in any of the VFS centers. There are almost 12 VFS centers in India where you can go and book your appointment, and you can select the places according to your convenience which are nearby your hometown and which are nearby your current location. After selecting the correct center, you have to book an appointment. There might be certain dates available and certain dates will not be available. So VFS center provides you some paid services where you have to pay almost 3,500 to 5,000 rupees to book appointment on these dates where appointments are not available. If you are in much hurry and you are not finding VFS appointment, then you can pay this amount and go for paid service. So guys, after booking your VFS appointment, you will have to upload your documents. Documents which you have to upload on VFS portal are certificate of sponsorship, signed offer letter, police clearances, passport, birth certificate, marriage certificate if applicable, TB certificate if applicable, national ID, qualifications, address proof, visa application form, visa document checklist, test of competence, email, NMC application status, CBT pass status, IELTS, OET or UK VI or UK NARIC. So guys, you have seen that which documents you have to upload on VFS website. These documents you can upload by yourself or you can take help of your agency to upload on VFS portal. If you won't upload this document before your appointment, then you have to pay VFS center 1,000 rupees to upload your documents. If you are planning to take this document upload service, then you will have to take all your documents which I have mentioned in this video to VFS office and you have to pay 1,000 rupees, and your document should be A4 size and it should not be laminated. If your documents are not A4 size or laminated, then you have to take photocopy of your document from your nearest photocopy center and take this photocopy with you to the VFS office along with your original document. So guys, if you have uploaded your documents on VFS portal, then you don't have to carry much documents with you to the VFS appointment center. You just have to carry your passport and VFS appointment slip. But I will suggest you to carry your all documents while going to VFS centers, though you have submitted all your documents on VFS portal. Many of you want to take priority service because you got your COS and you have to take VFS appointment as early as possible, and you want to get your visa stamped on your passport as early as possible. Then you can take priority visa service. You can get this service while booking your VFS appointment, or if you haven't paid for priority visa service while booking your VFS appointment, then you can buy this service after reaching VFS appointment center. Cost of priority visa is around 23 to 24,000 rupees. If you will pay, then you can get your visa stamped on your passport within 3 to 5 working days. So the decision on your visa will be within 3 to 5 days. You will get your passport delivered to your home within 7 to 8 days. So on VFS portal you can see where various packages which they are showing you on their website, like gold premium package which cost you around 5,400 rupees, premium lounge with digital application submission, prime time appointment, document scanning, courier plus, courier services, application and document check, SMS and photocopying. You can find all these services on VFS portal, as well as when you will reach VFS office, that time executives who are working in the VFS office, they will try to sell you all these packages, but I will suggest you don't buy any of these packages. If you are staying away from your VFS center, then you can buy courier services which is around 650 rupees. If you want, you can also buy SMS service which will cost you around 175. When you reach VFS office, you have to be there before 15 to 30 minutes of your VFS appointment. Reaching VFS appointment, they will scan your barcode which is like GW something on your VFS appointment letter, and they will allow you to go inside VFS office with your passport and all the valid documents. When you will reach the floor where UK VFS appointment get done, sometimes there might be queue or sometimes there might not be a queue. It depends on the situation. When you will go inside VFS office, there will be one counter where they will check your passport and give you a token number, and with your token number they will also give you Lebara SIM card which will have few GB data and some international calls. So you take this card with you because it will be helpful for you when you will arrive in the UK. After getting your token, you have to show your passport and your appointment letter one more time to the counter, and they will tell you to wait for few minutes to go to biometric chamber. In biometric chamber, they will give you one paper with your name or some number. They will ask you to hold this paper in front of camera. They will ask you to tell your name and date of birth in front of camera. After that, they will ask you to stand in front of camera. There they will take your photograph. After that, they will take your biometrics. So after completion of all this biometric and photograph, they will tell you to go outside, and it is end of your biometric VFS appointment. So you don't have to worry about anything while going to VFS office because it is very easy procedure. You will almost spend 15 to 30 minutes inside VFS center because they don't take much time. If they have many application on the day when you are going in VFS office, that time it might take few more time, but it is very fast process. So many people might have doubt that whether VFS takes your interview or not. So I want to tell you that so in VFS you won't have any interview. Nobody will ask you any question. They will just take your photograph, your fingerprint, and no interview will happen. It is very easy process. You don't have to worry about that. If you still have any question, then you can comment below or you can message me on Instagram. I will be always ready to help you all guys. So guys, this is all about VFS appointment process. If you think this video was helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you guys for watching this video.